You didn't accidentally fall into bad habits. You built them. Every time you said just 5 more minutes, every time you picked up your phone instead of your notes, every time you told yourself tomorrow would be different, that was a choice. And I know that stings, but here's the part nobody tells you. If you built them, you can rebuild them. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, everything is going to make sense. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain. Every time you avoided studying and grabbed your phone instead, your brain got a tiny hit of dopamine, a little reward, a little relief, and your brain remembered that feeling. It built a loop. Stress comes in, phone goes up, dopamine hits, repeat. Scientists call it a habit loop, and the more you repeat it, the deeper it gets wired. Within weeks, your brain is literally trained to resist the things that matter most. That's not laziness. That's not a broken brain. That's a trained response you accidentally created. And burnout, it's not some mystery condition. It's what happens when guilt, exhaustion, and avoidance stack on top of each other day after day. But here's the truth that changes everything. Awareness breaks the loop. The second you see the pattern, you have power over it. So let's talk about where the rebuild starts. Your morning. Because your morning is either building you or draining you. There is no middle ground. Most students wake up and immediately hand their brain to Instagram or TikTok. And just like that, before you've even stood up, your focus and energy belong to someone else. The fix is simple. No phone for the first 20 minutes. Your brain is most impressionable right after waking, so protect that window. Drink a glass of water immediately. Your brain is dehydrated after sleep, and one glass activates your focus before anything else does. Then set one clear intention for the day. Not a long list. One sentence. Today I will finish chapter 3. Specificity creates direction. That's it. 20 minutes, and you've already built real momentum before most students have opened their eyes. Now here's the part that kills most study sessions, trying to focus for 2 or 3 hours straight. Your brain physically cannot sustain that. Use the Pomodoro technique instead. 25 minutes of focused work, 5-minute break, repeat. During those 25 minutes, phone goes in another room, one task open, no music with lyrics. Before every block, ask yourself one question. What is the single thing I'm finishing right now? Not 5 things, 1. Because every time you complete something, your brain releases dopamine, and that dopamine builds momentum. That's how you stop feeling overwhelmed, one small finish at a time. And before you sleep, do this one thing that most students completely skip. Spend 10 minutes doing a brain dump. Open a notebook and write everything sitting in your head, unfinished tasks, worries, random thoughts, all of it. Research from the University of Chicago shows this reduces anxiety by up to 40% because your brain finally stops trying to hold everything at once. Then write 3 tasks for tomorrow, just 3, so when you wake up, a clear plan is already waiting for you. Sleep is not a reward, it is your most powerful performance tool. Protect it like it matters, because it does. Here is what I need you to know before you close this video. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are a student who is figuring it out, and that already puts you ahead of most people. Small wins every single day. That is how momentum is built, not in one dramatic moment, in quiet, repeated choices. If this video helped you, hit like right now. It takes 1 second and helps more students find it. Subscribe for more honest, no-fluff content made for students just like you.